Making a DIY handmade rosary is beautiful because you are creating a prayer tool with your own hands. Many Christians make them at home for prayer, gifts, or even for a craft channel. Below is a simple beginner method, DIY handmade rosary. Step-by-step materials needed. 59 beads, small beads for Hail Mary prayers. Larger beads for Our Father prayers. Crucifix, center piece metal, usually Mother Mary. Wire or strong nylon thread. Rosary pliers or normal small pliers. Scissors or wire cutter. Step 1. Prepare the beads. Separate the beads. Small beads, big beads. This forms the traditional 5 decades of the Rosary. Each decade, 10 Hail Mary beads plus 1 Our Father bead. Step 2. Attach the crucifix. Take the wire thread. Insert it through the top loop of the crucifix. Secure it tightly with a knot or twist. This becomes the starting point of the Rosary. Step 3. Add the introductory beads after the crucifix. Add a large bead, Our Father. Small beads, Hail Mary. 1 large bead, Glory bead. These are the opening prayers. Step 4. Attach the center metal. Insert the wire through the centerpiece metal. Tighten it securely. This metal connects the introductory beads to the main rosary circle. Step 1. Make the 5 decades. Now create the main loop. Repeat this pattern 5 times. Large bead, Our Father. 10 small beads, Hail Mary. Pattern. 1 big bead, 10 small beads. Repeat 5 decades. Step 6. Close the rosary. Loop. When all beads are added, attach the wire back to the center metal. Twist or knot tightly. Cut the extra wire. Your rosary circle is complete. Check the structure. A correct rosary has 1 crucifix, 1 center metal, 6 large beads, 2 small beads. 5 decades. Handmade rosary. Tips. Use wood beads for a traditional look. Use crystal beads for a beautiful rosary. Use strong nylon thread so it doesn't break. Pray while making it. Many believers do this. Making a DIY